Stuff is so good. This looks like a snake. So,
Wow.
welcome to. And we're doing a slime challenge today. Yeah, we've got these cups filled with slime.
I've got this chicken here.
I got this chicken here. And so we're filled with these.
I got an egg. She got chicken egg.
So we're filled. Well, that's one chicken. That's just. You can only make one chicken nugget. I love that. So these cups are filled with slime ingredients, and we don't know which ones they are. So, youngest first.
Alright, it's heavy, it's glue. I think I might have got the white glue. I got the orange glue.
And that's the yellow.
Yes,
Okay,
I got
while
the
she's
yellow.
doing that.
I got the yellow. It's a nice yellow.
Now I'm
But
going
first, I want to put
You.
this under. Put this under there.
I got blue beads. Dasha, are you like all mine?
I want
Okay,
it.
now my turn. I'll go with you. It's right. It is
These beads.
pink beads.
I wish I got those. I'm the only one who got glue so far.
Okay, now it's my turn. No, it's your turn. Because, yeah, that's from your first go, yeah?
Yeah.
It's your.
Right.
Let's say no.
Yeah.
No, which one do you want?
Alright. I'll get this one.
No, let's see.
Yay! I got red clear beads!
I got purple phones.
Oh, I wanted to get those.
I'm choosing this one, and I got white glue.
Yes, mine still will be crunchy.
Huh?
Mine might be crunchy.
Who wants some baby food?
Ew.
Yellow glue. Look, watch this, guys. I got this one. So beautiful. This is so heavy. What is it? It's blue. Green, sloppy, sparkly stuff. Oh yeah.
Oh, mine's still gonna be crunchy. Because
I have to do
everything of the beans.
We're on the left three. Now Dominica first.
I don't know which one. I'm gonna get both.
Yeah! Oh, I got some glue. I got pink glitter glue.
Dasha?
Oh, I need some glue.
This is like yes.
I need glue.
Rainbow beads. Oh, you got some rainbow beads. I remember putting both in. I got pink glue.
Jessica's gonna have a really crunchy one.
Activator!
Hey, you're the first.
She was the only one who got shampoo. She just got shampoo, no glue. Mine's turned out a really weird colour. Look at that colour.
Orange. Nice.
Green and orange. Mine looks like the worst colour combination possible. It's very thick and it's the one that's turning out the most. And this is mine. Look, I added these like alien green food. Things. Now mine looks like alien food. Yeah, they all just look like alien food. That is alien soup.
And the mine's not really activating, but our mum added a bit of foliage, so it would activate more.
Yeah, and because the glue was not glue. It was actually a shampoo. So she didn't get any glue.
Oh, Dasha.
So we added a bit of glue.
Look.
But it's slowly melting.
Can we somehow help fix it?
So we're just going to show you how well they stretch.
And mine started to activate.
Yeah, that is just gone. Mine's crunchy, very crunchy.
And a few fold.
Dominika, pomagaj.
Wow. That's mine stretching. Pass me that. And it's crunchy. It's crunching.
Yeah. Crunches.
And I also have these green guys.
Do you want this bead test?
Yeah. The main has these clear beads that makes It's nice. Yeah, I just say I call mine Galaxy because
Mine
but
is.
most of the beads are blue and purple and spark.
Because grass
Ooh.
and the sun.
What about water?
So,
Water, flowers. Water and flowers.
so mine is
Earth.
earth.
What about creamy?
What about Jessica's?
Mine's for Galaxy.
And Dasha's?
Cream.
Cream. It looks like cream.
Yeah, it's like cake.
A baby food.
Cake. It's cake.
That's baby food.
It's cake.
It's baby food.
It's cream food.
It's baby food. So comment down below. Who's do you like from us? Dominica's is also scented because it's shampooing.
Hashtag. Give me it. So hashtag.
Can I have one of those big beads like a pink one?
Yeah. Hashtag.
Hey.
Hashtag Earth. Hashtag space.
No, hashtag Galaxy.
Hashtag galaxy. Hashtag baby food.
And subscribe and hit the bell and then give this
Just-
video a like. And remember to comment down below who's you like the most. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Super
Bye.
bye. That really excellent.
Bye.
Bye. I got. Ah. But I like the belts. Oh, I'm gonna bubble off.
The amount of slime you normally buy in a store is this much.
Yeah.
But we can make this much.
Yeah, like you can buy that much because I just bought that much. But you can get like,
Make. Making is better than buying. Especially if it's a challenge. Now, buy! And this time we mean it. Like, bye.
Totally. Bye.
Bye. Now
Bye.
No skąd wiecie, że nagrywam?
Już nie.
Już nie nagrywam.
Wszystko to powiedzieliśmy, no nic.
Nie, nagrywam.